Thanksgiving is time for comfort food to the max, and I don't know a better one than dressing. This dressing in particular. Pumpkin bacon dressing has gorgeous color, tons of flavor, and that cozy texture that we all know and love. Your holidays just got better. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Choose a nice eggy bread like challah or brioche. I used challah. Cut it into about 1-inch thick slices, and then cut or tear it into 1-inch cubes and set aside in a large bowl. In a Dutch oven, add 4 to 5 slices of bacon and fry until just browned on both sides. While the bacon is cooking, add pumpkin puree to a large bowl and about half a teaspoon of allspice and mix together. I added 2 cups of organic chicken broth and gave it a stir. Add 1.5 tablespoons of poultry seasoning, cracked black pepper, and about 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary to sit while you grab the veggies. Using the bacon grease, add all of your chopped celery and give it a stir. Then add your diced shallots and cook until translucent. Add the second half of your pumpkin to the broth to get it ready while the veggies are cooking. Remove half of the celery mixture from the pot and then add half of your bread cubes, giving it a toss to coat. Add in half of your crumbled bacon and half of the pumpkin mixture and toss to coat. Add some broth if needed to moisten the bread. Add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt or more to taste and stir it in the pumpkin mixture. And add about a half a cup of broth. Add the rest of the bread, the celery and shallots, and bacon, then top with the rest of the pumpkin mixture. Toss to coat thoroughly. Add any broth where needed. If you're making this the day before, cover it in foil and place it in the fridge. If you're going to bake it immediately, set the oven to 350 degrees. Spray a 13x9 pan and add the dressing and spread it out evenly, adding broth if needed. Bake for 30 minutes, remembering to let the pan sit out for 10 minutes if it's coming out of the fridge before baking. Pumpkin bacon dressing is easily our new favorite dressing. The subtle flavor of pumpkin and the smoky flavor of bacon adds great depth to an already cozy dish, not to mention the beautiful color. Dressing is definitely my favorite thing on the holiday table, so I know I'll be going back for seconds on this one for sure. I bet you will too. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.